Okay, so today we're going to talk about how we pair the Aurora Smart Switch, or also known as a remote control, to the app, to your lights. So, first step, when you get this out of the box, it doesn't come with the battery, so you got to open it up and check if the battery is inside and put one in if it's not in. So if the battery is working, when you press the buttons, you can see the red infrared light up. So yep, but as you can see, it's not controlling the lights yet. If this is on, this will go on and off when I press the switch. So we got to pair it up, right? So firstly, to make the remote go into pairing mode, you got to press and hold the on-off button for about 3 to 5 seconds. And while doing that, you can open up, press the plus button here, device, and quick connect. And you can see that the remote has appeared here. This is the one. So press and hold onto it. Sorry, just click once, see the tick appear, and add. Alright. Okay, so it's paired up. You can see the remote has appeared here under accessories. Okay, so basic functions of the remote will be functioning now with the lights. So you see I have 3 lights here, which is these 3 lights, these 3 track lights. And with the remote now, I can turn it off, on, and I can dim it. I can make it brighter. But the scene is not set yet. So as you can see, the scene button, nothing happens when I press. Okay, so now we'll talk about pairing, setting scenes into the remote. So after a while, after a period of time, as you can see, the remote has disappeared from the accessories portion here. So to configure the remote, you got to pair it up again. So even though it doesn't appear here, it still works with the lights. But to configure the remote, you got to pair it up again. So just press and hold the on and off button 3 to 5 seconds. And it will appear here, just like that. So to configure the remote, press and hold this. You can change the name of the remote if you want. So let's just call this remote 1. Save. And one remote can only be paired to one room. So you can't use the remote in multiple rooms, just one room. So here we only have one room. We'll go ahead and click room 1 and save. Oh yes, to configure the scenes into the room, before you click save, you can actually press and hold room 1 and go into this menu where you can select your scenes. So we have 3 scenes set up already, and we'll go ahead and click all 3 and save into the remote. And save once again. Okay, and now the scene will work like this. So one of the settings is white, towards white light. One of the scene is dim, where it's warm white and dim. One is warm with a little bit brighter. So you can see these 3 scenes. You can now control with your smart switch, your Aurora remote control. So one thing to take note of is that you can only set maximum of 5 scenes into the remote control. So under scenes in the app, you may have multiple scenes, up to 7, 8, 9 scenes, many different scenes, but you can only set up to 5 maximum scenes into the remote control. So you got to take note of that. And yeah, I think that's all. I think I've covered everything. So that's all for pairing your Aurora Smart Switch remote control to your Aurora app.